A very good morning to all of you. If you are preparing for Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Combined Competitive Exam, the APPSCCE, now this examination, the mains is scheduled for the month of April. From 6 to 10th April, you would have the mains examination which is scheduled. Now the mains examination for your Arunachal Pradesh PSC is exactly the same as per your UPSC target. So you would have the 4 GS papers which would be part of the syllabus along with the optional paper that you would have to choose. Now with your last 1 month left, you only have March possibly as one of the months that you would be preparing for. What could be the last minute tips and tricks that you can use? Now we would definitely recommend that at this point you start your preparation with your PYQs. Now specifically if you are targeting to GS, the combined GS paper 1 to 4 is available. So what you can do is you can simply go onto the link and you can explore the lectures, practice questions that would be beneficial at the last minute. And even for your optional, let's say you have geography as one of your optional, you can explore the lectures and PYQs. Now understand, PYQs would give you an insight about how to write, what to write. So that's one very important thing that you must take into account. The other important thing is for the lectures, we would definitely recommend, since you have just 1 month left, it's important to have a clear understanding about the subject. So if you are well versed with your subject, if you have your bachelor's and master's in the same subject, then it should not be an issue. But if not, you would have to identify the areas in which you are actually facing more issues. So you can simply go for more practice, more focus on those areas, and the remaining subjects you can prepare in the same go as it is. But last minute at 1 month is very, very crucial. If you are practicing regularly, if you are focusing regularly, you would definitely be able to secure excellently with your preparation. So for your Arunachal Pradesh PSC, we would definitely recommend you go through the material here. In case you have any questions or queries, here is a number where you can connect with us. You can also email us, you can WhatsApp us on this number and get connected. Thanks for joining in. Wish you all the best for your upcoming mains examination for Arunachal Pradesh. So all the students who also require personalized guidance or mentorship before your last minute preparation or feedback on some of the answers that you have written, feel free to connect back on this number for more information and more queries. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead.